SOLIDWORKS introduces new enhancements to the versatile 3D interconnect capabilities in 2018. Now supporting the neutral file formats STEP, IGES, ACES, and JT, these files no longer need to be translated and can be simply inserted into your SOLIDWORKS assemblies and will be treated like regular SOLIDWORKS components. These components will recognize changes to the source files and can be quickly updated. Gone is the process of re-importing those types of files. Other new enhancements take your legacy 3D files further, including support for reference geometry, such as sketches and reference planes, allowing you to do more with your existing files from other 3D design tools, eliminating the need for time-consuming migration of data. Finally, custom properties are now supported for your legacy 3D files, meaning bills of materials and drawings now automatically read the information you've previously defined in your legacy design tool. 3D Interconnect continues to allow you to leverage 3D design data from whatever source you like, without compromising on capability.